so excited. FedEx came today. There's a package. Let's open it. Waiting for this for, I don't know, just about a week. I want to say maybe 2 weeks. They announced it. I ordered it. They shipped it from China. In onyx black. Let's open the box and see what's in it. Ever so delicately, he used the scissors to cut off the plastic. Little by little, the plastic was removed until the unit was revealed. Oh my god, this thing is so small. Look, they even give you instructions on how to open it. 1, 2, I'm assuming 3, 4. It's just like the Mavic. So you unfold the front arm and then you sort of down and over the back arm. Now notice that the front arm has landing gear on it this time where the Mavic didn't. So let's do that again for the back. You can do it either way. 1, 2. This is the whole unit. I am amazed at how small this thing is. And here's what I like about this one. See the gimbal clamp there? Can you get a good shot of that? Get a good look at that. The gimbal clamp opens like this. And it really stays on. And it's got, it doesn't just cover, doesn't cover the gimbal, it also holds it in place. And unlike the Mavic, people were confused when it first came out that should you use the cover when you were flying it and just take the clamp off, but the issue was that it would get too hot because the exhaust fan was in there. Anyway, no confusion on this one. Gimbal clamp snaps in, and it's also the cover. So excellent for flying. I got to tell you, lightweight, crazy small, and super exciting. 3-axis gimbal. It's got motion sensors here. I'm sorry, optical sensors here, optical sensors on the bottom, and optical sensors in the front. Now the difference between the Mavic and this is obviously the Mavic didn't have optical sensors in the back. They only had optical sensors on the bottom and in the front. Battery right here, much tinier obviously than the battery for the Mavic Pro. Thanks, now I have to buy all new batteries. Slide it back on. Let's see what else is in the box. Look at this, propeller guards. Cool, that's pretty cool. Usually these are aftermarket. So that's if you want to fly, I don't know, near people, you want to fly indoors, safety issues, extra propellers. Looks like there's 4 in there. Always helpful. Literature, always needed. DJI support, not the best. And the controller. So here's where it differs dramatically from the Mavic controllers. You can see that there's no LCD on here. And I always found that the LCD for the Mavic was a little redundant because all the information that was on the controller, LCD was also on your phone. So there was no need to have both. But you'll see that there's an on-off button. There's a home button. I'm assuming one is record video, one is record photo. I'm not sure what this button's going to do, but this is going to be for the gimbal up and down. You notice there's one thing, 2 very important things missing from this, and that's the joysticks. And I'm psyched about that the joysticks come off because, again, with the Mavic, I had to buy something aftermarket to put on my joysticks to hold them in place while I traveled because I was afraid they're going to break off. But this one comes with the joysticks removed. So good and bad. Good that they won't get crushed when you're traveling. Bad that you could lose them. It's another thing you're going to have to buy. Joysticks on. They just simply screw right on. Pull that sticker off. Spot for your phone. Just like the Mavic controller. The Mavic Pro controller, only again without the LCD. That's everything in the box. So, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, smash that like button below. Get this up into the YouTube algorithm a little bit more. If you like gear reviews, race reviews, or anything dirt sports related, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.